Analysing research results can be time-consuming and overwhelming, especially for teams working at pace. I'm Hien, a product manager at Lyssna, and in this video, I'll demonstrate our Synthesize feature, which helps teams quickly distill raw feedback into clear and organised findings and themes. We'll be exploring our AI-generated summaries and manual summaries offerings. Let's get started. Let's head to the dashboard and select a survey with responses. You'll find the Synthesize pop-over menu upon hovering over questions with responses on the results page. Once you've clicked on the pop-over, a menu will appear with options to generate a summary using AI for eligible questions or to write a summary manually. Let's explore AI-generated summaries first. AI-generated summaries are currently available on text, linear scale, ranking, single, and multi-select question types. This is great raw data, but time-consuming to identify common themes and patterns. I'll click on Generate Question Summary and review the AI summary provided. I have the option to regenerate the summary if I'd like another version. Do us a favour and use the thumbs up and thumbs down buttons to let us know about the quality of your summary and to help us improve. I'm happy with this summary, so I'll choose to add it to my question where it'll display as a collapsible summary block that my team can see. I want to add some more notes into this summary, so I'll click Edit to make my changes and save them. I can also delete this summary if I decide I no longer need it later on. AI can make mistakes, so I'll check the accuracy of the content before sharing with my stakeholders. I'll generate some more summaries on this linear scale question to save myself some time in my analysis. I'll also generate one on this multi-select question. Let's explore manual summaries now. Manual summaries are available on text, linear scale, ranking, single, and multi-select question types. Manual summaries can also be created at a section level and test level. I'll go to the Synthesize menu and select Write Question Summary. Now I can write my findings and observations into the collapsible summary block. I can use Markdown here for simple formatting. This all looks good. I can also write a manual summary for a test section. I'll go to the Synthesize pop-over menu and select Write Section Summary. I'll write a bullet list of key insights from the questions in this test section and hit Save to add the summary block to my results. This is a handy feature if you want to consolidate key insights across multiple questions within a test section. I can also write a manual summary to consolidate my key insights across a whole test. I'll click on Add Summary, type in my key takeaways, and hit Save to add the summary block to my results. As you can see, the AI-generated and manual summaries Synthesize features can help you organise and analyse raw feedback into clear, editable insights quickly. To get started, I encourage you to explore the feature for yourself, or check out our AI help articles and templates on Lyssna.com, which are designed to help you hit the ground running.